Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, I didn't tell you before, but I'm a big fan of all that LED stuff, lights are everywhere, RGB, but not that crazy 15 years old boy bedroom playing PUBG, you know, that's too much. So, today I want to show you my step-by-step process how I made my LED track that came pretty cheap and how to upgrade your IKEA bookshelf. Okay guys, let's see what we have to start with. The main thing is the LED that is 5 meters long. That is the main thing that we will work with. The remote controller to control the light, but we'll get back later to it. Knife, a controller for LED lights, measure tape, power adapter to power all the lights, aluminum profile with diffuser to diffuse the light that goes out from the strip to make it blurry and not so hard. The extenders or connectors to extend our LED line and to connect different parts of it. T-connector that can connect 3 different LED lines. And a paint to color the things in black, of course. Because as you can see, I love black and I think everyone loves black, so we'll make it black. So that's it, let's start. First of all, let's cut the aluminum profile. I know that it's 1 meter long and we should cut it into pieces 50 by 50 centimeters. Made it. So now we have 2 aluminum profiles. Next step, cutting the diffuser. Easy, 2 diffusers. Something went wrong with this guy, but no problem. The most funny part of the process is painting. Let's go. Okay, while the profiles are drying, let's go to cutting the LEDs. So 5 meters long strip, 50 centimeters. Okay, let's take a little bit less than 50. You should cut only where it's connected. This LEDs goes with a protector layer, so we should cut it out to be able to connect them together. So we should just cut it out and that's it. That's a real surgery. So we're ready. Here we are, and that looks good. So the next step is to glue these LEDs and put it into our profiles. Here we get rid of that glue. second one is ready. Let me connect one of them and let's see if that's working okay. Connect the power to the controller and then controller into the LED. That is working! You see? Wow, that's amazing! Wow! So, final step, insert the diffuser. Wow, amazing. So our remote controller can switch the colors, so let's see how it works. Let's put into red. Boom. Green, blue, yellow. Yeah, you know it's not yellow because it's red and green, but that's how the RGB works. If you want purple, it will turn into... So the purple consists of red and blue, so when I put purple, it won't be purple, but you can Google how the RGB works. So, final step, to connect these two LED strips and to put it on my IKEA bookshelf. Let's see how the final result looks. So, do you like the results? I'm so happy with it, that looks really amazing. Share all your RGB experience in the comments, I'm really interested in your ideas. So that's it for the video, thanks for watching and of course I will see you in the next one.